Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Unique Role in the Making of Modern India. This is a book written by Dr. G. Karnavaran Pillai. He is a famous economist who was head of the Department of Economics of Kerala University, was a member of the UGC, and he has worked in different fields and highly experienced. He has written this book on Dr. Ambedkar to highlight the different aspects of Dr. Ambedkar. We know Dr. Ambedkar as the maker of the Indian Constitution. Being the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution, he really deserves to be known as the maker of the Indian Constitution. You may also know that out of the 11 members, many members were actually not attending these meetings, and essentially 2 or 3 members were really attending, and all the work was done by Dr. Ambedkar for drafting the Constitution. But in the limelight of being the maker of the Constitution, other contributions of Dr. Ambedkar is actually not known very much. He was the most educated person in the freedom struggle. He was born in a Mahar family and faced a lot of opposition from upper caste people with regard to his education, and he faced a lot of issues on untouchability. However, he fought through it, and with the help of the Raja of Baroda and Kolhapur, he got scholarships to go abroad, and he did PhDs in 2 universities, and he has also did his barrister degree, and he has done other educational activities also. Then he came back to India for the country and uplift of the downtrodden in India. One of his main idea was that to uplift the downtrodden in India, the Hindu society had the different castes, and this caste system has really abused its system to burden the lower caste with a lot of atrocities. He wanted to emancipate all this downtrodden, and one of his main ambition was to do this, and he has worked relentlessly for this. And his education as an economist, he was outstanding. As an educationist, he was outstanding. As a speaker, orator, he was outstanding, and he could answer on most of the subjects. So most of the other leaders were really speaking envious of his qualifications and abilities. In fact, there were 2 persons who could have been considered for the prime ministership of India, the independent India. One was Sardar Patelji, and other was Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Had he been the prime minister or an important minister under Sardar Patel, things would have been totally different for India. But what happened is that because of his straightforwardness and his unwavering attitude towards upliftment of the downtrodden, many people could not afford him or did not like him, and they tried to always bring him down. So he was given the law ministership in the first ministry. However, during elections, etc., in 2 elections, he was defeated by the Congress because many in the Congress did not like him, even though now Congress claims that Ambedkar ji was one of their mascots. He did not like many activities of Mahatma ji also. In his different books, he has told about Mahatma ji in his own words, and about Islamic systems, Islam and communism also. He has spoken very clearly. About 1921 Malabar Kalabam, he has written very briefly but very correctly what has happened in Malabar in those days. So he was forthright in his views and relentlessly acting on many things. but all those things were not known to the public. Only one thing was known, that was he is the framer of the Constitution of India. But Dr. Karunakaran Pillai has given 360-degree Ambedkar's work, and in which all fields he was excellent. And this book is a very small book published by Kurukshetra Publications, and it is also priced very low, 330 rupees, and in English. My surprise was that had this book been available when I was studying for the civil service examination, I would have been benefited very much. So all those candidates who are writing for the civil services examination, for their general studies and on Ambedkar, this book will be a big asset. Let them go through this book and learn it. The advantage is that if they have got to know more about Ambedkar, they can go to the references given, and they can also get much more knowledge about Ambedkar and his work. So I recommend this book specifically for all those candidates who are trying for the civil services examination. But for all other public, this is an asset because it gives the complete picture of Dr. Ambedkar, who he was, how he worked, what are his contributions, in what field he excelled, and how India was unfortunate to have him not having a longer life. If he had lived up to 1965 at least, India would have been a different country, and he had the problems of untouchability affecting him from birth till almost his death. But he fought for them, fought against that. He brought in Article 17 in the Constitution of India, and the reservation for the downtrodden, and all those things which has helped the downtrodden in India so much. So I recommend all of you to take one of these books by the Kurukshetra Publications, and please go through it and give your opinion. Thank you.